Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make acar, a kind of sweet pickle that is often served as a condiment for any meals. So, here is the recipe. So first, I just prepare a clean mixing bowl. I have one cucumber and I'm just going to cut this part, which is usually bitter, and I also cut the other end, then cut it into half, and then I cut them again into small wedges. And then I'm just going to take out the seeds and just cut them into small pieces. Then I have one peeled carrot, and I'm going to do pretty much the same thing. And then I take the core out. This is why I use a small paring knife, because it's easier. And then I'm just going to cut them into small pieces, just like the cucumber. Now I have about a handful of shallots. I'm just going to cut them like this. Some people actually leave them whole, but for me, I think I prefer to have them in smaller chunks. Okay guys, so these are bird's eye chilies, the red ones. They are very common here and they are very spicy. And then I'm just going to take the stems off, like that. And then I just cut them. If you don't want it to be too spicy, you can either use less chilies, or you can take the seeds out, or you can use milder types of chili. Now that we have everything ready in the bowl, I'm just going to add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and also 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And then I mix them until most of the sugar dissolves. Now that it looks like this, all you have to do is just set it aside or put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, it will look just like this. You see more liquid in it, and then the vegetables get slightly softer, and the flavors combine together. So there you have it, a nice refreshing condiment that will take your food to a different level. Click the link on the description below for the complete ingredients and measurements. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and see you on the next video.